So yeah, it is Wednesday, just like I said. So okay, yeah, that's all I have to say.
Hey guys, like Emily said, it's Wednesday. It's so windy today. I'm having a nightmare. Every time I go outside, it takes my breath away and it's causing me to have massive POTS problems. I'm getting really bad POTS symptoms when I go out. I'm trying to get hold of Neil to see if he can pick the kids up because I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know if you can... Can't really see how windy that is, but it's like really bad. The wheelie bin's just been knocked over on the back garden and the chickens have just gone absolutely crazy. They're properly freaking out. And we can show you, look. Dead bin. Dead wheelie bin. So yeah, that totally scared the life out of the chickens. They were squawking their heads off. What's this little foot doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
He did a poo in the office today. Naughty boy. But Emily did take him straight out of his little crate and brought him upstairs. So I think it mucked up his routine. We need to put him straight onto his pad. Oh God, I just stood up too fast. Honestly, my body is doing its best. My body is doing its best. Now I'm supposed to go upstairs for something and I can't think what it's for. What's it for? We'll walk up, see if it comes to me.
Hello, Magicy Moo. Hello, Magicy Moo. What are you doing? You're so cute. Look at you. Don't touch the murder switch. What are you doing?
It's a zoo! Love it. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Oh. My heart's pounding like mad. For those of you new to the Power Fam, I suffer from something called postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, which is a dysautonomia type thing where my autonomic system doesn't work properly. So it affects my pulse, my blood pressure, my digestive system, my temperature regulation. Anything that your body should just do automatically, mine as a wobbler. So yeah, that's what's going on with all this. I'll put a link above. This side, I think it is, isn't it? To a video that explains what's wrong with me. What are you doing, Magic? Magic's stalking me. This is his head. So, yeah, that's what's up with me. And the wind. Apparently, from what I've been told, the reason it causes me problems, is because, is because the chill factor from the wind actually swirls around me and it like takes my layer of body heat away, which causes my vessels to constrict, which causes problems with my blood pressure, which is why it affects my heart and makes me feel all wibbly. So I have to be really careful in cold weather and windy weather, like cold, damp, well, basically English weather. I have to be careful in because it tends to set my POTS off. So it's going to be a lot of just sitting around today, I think. I appear to have a small country growing on my chin that appeared this morning. So I might put a face mask on later. Emily likes to do them with me too. Other than that, I need to get a load of washing done. Ooh. Just general, really tidying up stuff. I was going to show you my pet routine for the morning, but it's so windy outside. So hopefully if the weather's a bit better tomorrow, I'm going to show you my morning pet routine. Now I own a zoo. Anyway, let's get some lunch. Let's get some stuff done. Let's go check on the chameleon, get her some water, which is down with the gecko. Let's just say hello to the... I think she might be shedding again. Put that there. So, I just have to pump this water up, look. Say hi to Ivy. This is Ivy. Hello. There she is. So we'll raise a mist. So I'm sure appreciate me smashing her face with some water, but no, she's like, leave me alone. Here we go, look. There she is. Can you see her by the... She's getting bigger. Aren't you, baby? I think we need to get you some more locusts today again.
I'm having my pudding.
Ooh. Did you have your dinner? Got little red cheeks, my little one. You tired? We've been doing at school today. You don't know. Are you in iPad world? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing, Emily? What are you doing? Someone talk to me. Someone talk to me. Look, just look at the stairs. Look, I'm in the way. Look.
Hello.
I'm in the way. I'm in the way. Right, we need to get your hair washed. Emily had a bath last night, and I don't know why, but her hair looks like it's been dragged through edge backwards. So we're going to rewash it, aren't we, baby?
Yeah.
You're going to watch the end of this, and then I'll wash it. What are you going to do then?
I'm gonna do Mom. I'm gonna watch Mom videos.
Your eyes will turn into squares.
That isn't true. Why? How's that?
You get square eyes watching telly too much. And do you have to be this close? I mean, can you not see from further away?
Well, I need to sit here because
Oh dear.
evil cupheads
Obsessed with technology, these two.
and then evil mug.
Does anybody else's kids sit 2 centimetres away from the TV? I mean, look. Really? Right, you got 5 minutes and I'm washing that hair. Yeah, look at me like that. You dare. You dare. Thank you. Little monkey. Okay, that is 2 little Power Fam children ready for bed in the gym jams. Emily's hair's nice and washed. The puppy's trying to eat that mattress. Freddie! Little monkey. Do you want to bring him to say goodnight to Power Fam 2? He's trying to climb up. He can't climb up.
Oh, yes, he can.
He's done it. Okay, everybody get in. Right, are you ready to say night to the Power Fam?
I don't know. No, no.
Does Freddie want to do it? Are you ready?
No.
3, 2, 1.